This original equipment though, original equipment. He has like 160 on this right now. So, I mean, it's got the life out of it. But basically, we had to drop everything. We had to change out the oil pan gasket, all these seals. Everything's going to have to be changed out for this. So, right now, I'm going to showing you what it basically looks like. And my voice is still going to be running. So, you'll be hearing me talk as the video's playing. So, just so you guys can see all the insides and the particulars.
You see that car? That's Ringo rolling.